flow statement. Now, how do I add a sheet there? I click on that. I got a blank sheet. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to call this weed producer cash flow statement. All right. Now, if you haven't read my book, which I highly encourage, but you don't have to, a cash flow statement, there's really two ways to produce a cash flow statement. One way is to have cash from operations. That's all your operating crap. And then another section with cash from investing. That's all your investing crap. And I'll give you an example. That's like buying a factory. Okay, cash from operations would be like hiring a some guy to run your factory, hiring a manager. Okay, cash from investments, right, or investing. Okay, let's go over here. Investing, and then cash from financing. Okay, and that would be God, I cannot spell for shit. Cash from financing. Okay, good. And this would be like borrowing money for the factory, borrowing money, or selling equity, or paying dividends, all that stuff that deals with financing, right? Okay, that's one way to do it, okay? All right, another way to do it is to say sources of cash. Okay, that's like money coming in from selling stuff, money coming in from selling stock, money coming in from borrowing. Okay, and then uses of cash. Okay, paying salaries, paying down debt. Okay, paying dividends. Okay, dividends. Shit, I can't spell for shit. Okay, anyway, there's two ways to do cash flow. I prefer the first way. Why? I don't know. I just do. Okay, so I lost my goddamn paste. Okay, so I'm going to do cash from operations. Okay, I'm going to go down here a bit. I'm going to do cash from investing. I'm going to do cash from financing. Okay? All right, there we go. Cash from operations. So, under cash from operations, basically you have net income. All right? And then below your net income, you have to add back anything you took off your income statement that wasn't cash. Now, we haven't done that yet, but basically you're going to add back depreciation and amortization. Okay. Basically, when you amortize something, it means you've taken charge against it. You've taken money off your income statement, okay, but you didn't actually pay for it. And I'll give you a really good example, okay? You buy a car, okay? You buy a car, bought a car, cost you $10,000, okay? The next year you still have the car, but the car went down in value. The car is worth $9,000. Okay, that's depreciation. That's minus $1,000 in depreciation. Okay, so basically the car is still worth $10,000 minus $1,000 in depreciation. The car is worth $9,000. Okay, that's your depreciation right there. Depreciation. Okay, I can take that off on my balance sheet. We're going to do that in a moment. I can take that off on my balance sheet. I can take that off my income statement. I don't have to pay taxes on it. It's a loss. Okay, you lost money on the car, went down in value. Non-cash charge. Okay, so you add back all your non-cash charges. Okay, cash from investing. Okay, you got your purchases of equipment. Okay, and we'll just do some it up to our income statement.